2, 1, go.
Qualification match number 9 here at Belton, Texas, and we have fuel raining down on both sides of the field from Team Apprentice and Cyber Rangers. Human players making those shots count as Team Apprentice just misses the Red Alliance hub. Ding, 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 ding. And we're into teleoperated mode. Looks like the Red Alliance just takes the autonomous period as they reload in the middle of the field. Blue Alliance not quite making use of their hub yet. Looks like Cyber Rangers trying to make some shots. Cyber Rangers, their motto is in theory. They're looking to turn theory into practice as they gather more fuel in the neutral zone. Engima up and over the bump, flying through the neutral zone with a fury as the Red Alliance hub goes active. Team Apprentice lined up and sinking fuel into the Red Alliance hub as their partners Robotics shuttle fuel over into the Red Alliance zone. Team Orion trying to do the same for the Blue Alliance. Robotics tossing some fuel back over to the red side, just missing the Alliance wall. Blue Alliance hub is active, and we've got Cyber Rangers landing a couple of shots into the hub. Engima launching fuel into the neutral zone as we have 1 minute remaining in the match. Robotics trying to get unstuck from a fuel as the Red Alliance human players continue to sink shots into the hub. Team Apprentice reloading the Red Alliance hub, and Engima landing some shots as well. As we head into the end game. Both hubs are active as Cyber Rangers reload in the neutral zone. Apprentice reloads in the neutral zone. Engima trying to line up a shot. Apprentice and Cyber Rangers both landing shots into the hub. Five seconds remaining in the match. Nobody next to the towers yet. 2, 1, and